Hello everyone, now I'm making the video of wiring of the exit button and pairing with the mobile phone. And first, let's check the wiring. The wire of electric lock connect to the NC and the COM, and the red line of exit button connect to the 12. The red line connect to the GND. The blue line connect to the push, and the white line connect to the COM. After the pairing, let's check if the wire is okay. Push the exit button. You can see the door release. Now let's go to the mobile phone. And first we need to download the EV-Link app. After download, open it and register it with your mobile phone. After the mobile phone register, go to the quick pairing. Add one device. Select your Wi-Fi account and your code. Select next. Now this is go to the pairing mode. Here we need to push the Wi-Fi exit button first and then hold for 5 seconds. 1 second. Hold on for 5 seconds. Now it is going to the pairing mode. Now we can see the device will be connected. Now the device is added. You can relay on it. Done. Now let's check it. Push it and press it. You can see the Wi-Fi exit button can unlock the lock successfully. We can also go to the schedule. You can add the schedule time